Joint Agri Ceylon Private Ltd is an eminent exporter and processor of spices and allied products in Sri Lanka. Established with the objective of catering best quality Sri Lankan spices to the world market, now we have become the pioneers in the spice industry in Sri Lanka with more than 30 years of expertise. Our processing facility is located in Delgoda, 20 kilometers away from the capital and occupied over 20,000 square feet area. Our vision is to be the best quality value-added organic exporter in Sri Lanka while satisfying the international customers with sustainable products produced according to the highest standards in the food industry. Sri Lankan spices are the major category of our product range. We process nutmegs, mace, pepper, true cinnamon, cloves, curry leaves, lemongrass, turmeric, ginger, spices powders and tea bag cuts. Equipped with the modern European machinery and qualified staff, we have obtained the highest food safety and organic standards such as FSSC 22000, EU Organic, USDA, NOP, Demeter, Naturland, Fairtrade, BioSwiss, Jazz and Kosher. Processing is cautiously done at Joint Agri products to remove impurities, metallic particles and extraneous matters using both mechanical and manual operations to achieve high quality and premium grades of spices. Furthermore, we have established a mechanical water washing facility which is capable of removing the debris coming from the product from the farm gate levels. We have designated drying facilities to dry 10 metric tons of raw spices simultaneously, which has reinforced our processing. Moisture and water activity level of products are maintained at optimum levels while preserving the product quality.
We are a specialized organic bulk exporter and our focus goes beyond a product being just organic. We care about the ethics, sustainability and the quality of the products. Our company works with more than 3,000 farmer families, which is the largest organic farmer family base in Sri Lanka. We mainly export organic spices in bulk and in private labels. Our company is also the largest organic Ceylon cinnamon exporter in the country. In addition to the spices, we also export organic coconut products, organic dehydrated fruits, organic teas and essential oils. We are certified with the highest food safety and organic standards at present, such as FSSC 22000, EU Organic, NOP USDA, Jazz, FLO Fairtrade, Demeter, Naturland, BioSwiss and Kosher.
Our unique methods ensure the nutmegs are processed with aflatoxins-free guarantee. Different cut sizes and grades of Ceylon cinnamon with the premium flavor is produced by us. There is a growing demand of moringa powder and dried moringa leaves due to changing perspective of health nowadays. Our moringa products have been recognized to the highest export quality products. We use unique packing techniques which has been the key to our end product quality. We are capable of doing a wide range of retail packing with private labels or our own labels.
All our processes are carefully implemented in order to safeguard our products from any possible hazard. We thoroughly inspect our raw materials, then proceed with drying and sterilization to improve microbiological quality. We use optimum packing techniques to prolong the product shelf life. Our product range is wide and diversified, therefore different quality parameters should be monitored. These parameters are analyzed in our internal laboratory as well as in accredited local and foreign laboratories. With new food regulations and food standards being introduced, quality assurance has become quite challenging for us. But here we have a well-trained, qualified QA team to validate our quality assurance systems according to regulatory and client requirements.
Our products are tested throughout the process chain by our quality assurance procedure. This enables us to satisfy our clients and maintain the conformity for food regulations. We were awarded as the Best Agricultural Entrepreneur in 2018 for our contribution towards the agricultural sector. In addition, we are among the handful of companies in the entire country to achieve the most prominent organic standards. Sourcing good quality raw materials is equally important to meet the quality of our final product. Our raw materials are produced by the largest farmer base in Sri Lanka, which is comprised of more than 3,500 farmer families. Ceylon cinnamon is one of the major spices they produce. When the stems grow into precise diameter, they are separated from the mother plant. Peeling is done in the most traditional way from the centuries back in Sri Lanka. Traditionally, specialized and skilled peelers are involved in this process. The outer peel of cinnamon is scraped to expose the inner bark, which possesses the remarkable flavor profiles. Then the stem is rubbed using a brass rod to loosen the bark from the hardwood. Then the bark is slit along two parallel lines and the inner bark is carved out without damaging. Then these layers are packed one inside the other to overlap from one end to the other and rolled to make quills. Different grades as C5, C4, H are made according to the rolling intensity. Then these rolls are dried under a shade on rope racks to gain best quality cinnamon quills.
This is an organic cinnamon farm. I inherited this land from my father about 30 years ago. At that time, this land was covered with thick vegetation. My father and I worked hard and turned this land into a cinnamon and pepper cultivation. Our cultivation practices are based on organic agriculture. We use green leaves and prepare our own organic manure. This is not only a cost-saving and profitable method for us, but protects our environment as well.
As a pioneering organic processor, we are driven to encourage organic agriculture in Sri Lanka. We encourage farmers on practicing organic manure production, eco-friendly pest controlling, sustainable harvesting and biodynamic farming practices.
This is a biodynamic certified farm. This is a liquid worm fertilizer we have produced by ourselves. You could see live earthworms living in this. Their secretions discharged are collected as a liquid from the bottom of this bin. We put green leaves from local plants such as Cappetia, Glyricedia, Nathasuria and ginger into this bin and collect some water. Then, after adding cow dung adequately, we keep this mixture for a month. This is very effective against pests, insects and caterpillars that might attack our crops. Here, you can see a specially prepared horn silica fertilizer. Silica inside a bullhorn is crushed into a small powder and stuffed inside this horn. Then we bury this in our field about 1.5 feet beneath the topsoil for approximately 3 months. There are traditional beliefs that this horn absorbs the power of sun rays and gives it to our soils. Whenever we perform this ritual, it increases our harvests and its quality.
Farmers are thoroughly concerned on sustainable farming. Their harvesting methods avoid exploitation of natural resources. Most of the agricultural practices are carried by zero involvement of machinery, therefore no fuel emissions are occurred. Using the family labor creates self-employment opportunities. Farmers have domesticated cultivations having many crops with a wide diversity. Nutmegs, ginger, clove, pepper, lemongrass and curry leaves are commonly grown by them. In addition of spices, we export the full range of coconut products such as desiccated coconut, virgin coconut oil, RBD coconut oil, coconut flour, coconut milk powder, coconut butter and coconut sugar. Coconuts are hygienically deshelled and the kernel is used for further processing. Coconut milk is processed by a fully automated processing line where the milk is extracted from the kernel. Filtered coconut milk is sterilized and canned. During the processing, quality parameters as pH, fat content are checked. Desiccated coconut is an important product as virgin coconut oil is expelled from it. Virgin coconut oil is filled in bottles and checked for impurities prior to the labeling and dispatched. The oil cakes remained after expelling oil is ground and sieved to produce coconut flour. Sri Lankan tropical dehydrated fruits are highly preferred product among our products. Huge variety of Sri Lankan fruits such as banana, papaya, pineapple, mango and jackfruit are available as slices, dices and stripes. In addition, essential oils originally derived from Sri Lankan spices are available with us. Cloves, pepper, nutmeg, cinnamon and cardamom are our major essential oil products. Furthermore, we are proud processors of exclusive organic Ceylon teas with an exquisite range of black tea, green tea, white tea and flavored tea. Our teas are produced from the purest tea buds grown in the beautiful hill country in Sri Lanka, also rich in phenomenal tea flavonoids. Our products have earned a prestigious reputation in the world spice market across European and Northern American continents. We bring the mostly needed foreign exchange to our motherland, empowering its economy. We, Joint Agri Ceylon Private Limited, ultimately hope that our endeavours would satisfy people across the globe, those who are craving for the Sri Lankan authentic ingredients.